Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your Apple ID is not eligible to use this application at this time. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing this type issue that whenever you want to sign into Apple developer, you find a this type error that your Apple ID is not eligible to use this application. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So there are some possible ways to fix that issue. So the very first way is that you just have to open your settings app here and you have to refresh your network by enabling and disabling your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times, and after that you just have to go for general section and go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, and after that you just have to go back, go for language and region, select region, and you just have to select the region in which Apple developer is available. So I recommend you have to use United States or United Kingdom, and after doing that you just have to go back from here and you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not, or if you're still facing the same issue you have to go for settings app again, and this time go for your Apple ID here, and then select sign in and security option, and you have to try to change your password of your Apple ID, and once you have changed your Apple ID password you have to retry to log in the Apple developer. Simply tap on change password option and then verify yourself, and then you can easily change password of your Apple ID from here, and once you have changed your Apple ID password your issue will be fixed. Or after that if you're still facing the same issue, so this is the only way, you have to sign up from your Apple ID, and after that you have to re-sign in with the new Apple ID in your iPhone. So you have to try that ID in your Apple developer and your issue will be fixed. You will not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.